Right, welcome to a how-to guide on how to clean the detergent drawer on a Bosch washing machine, or in this case a Bosch Logix 8 Vario Perfect WAS 32461GB washing machine. But this can be applied to pretty much most or even all models of Bosch for the last God knows how long. We'll pull our drawer out. Now when you do this, especially on this Logix model, make sure the door's closed. If there's any water remaining in there, because of its fill system, it can sometimes dribble down the door. Next, we need to remove the drawer. So, just pull it towards you, then push this blue button down. And that frees it up. So, as you can see, we've got very light build-up of black mould. This drawer's never been cleaned, as far as I'm aware. Probably unlikely to have ever been cleaned. But due to Bosch's nature, the mould deposits are hardly there. But still, I'm going to still clean it anyway. So what you want to do is just get yourself an old toothbrush and a sponge and some warm water with probably a little bit of liquid detergent to help just shift it a little bit quicker. Right, so when we do this, get our toothbrush. Just use it to brush against into all the holes and all the little nooks and crannies inside your detergent drawer to remove all that mould. You can also use a sponge scourer like this as well. You can use this to rub over. To be honest, you can use the softer sponge side to wipe down the smooth, flat surfaces of the detergent drawer. So, we've just got ourselves an old rag like this, an old clean, dry rag, and we're just going to use this to, it does pick up all the black mould that's just starting to form. And in some areas it even gets into those nooks and crannies where even the toothbrush can't even go. It should be able to get at the back, but it is quite hard. So in extreme cases, if you can't get rid of the mould and it's heavily built on, then what you can do is if you're a professional engineer, you can take this whole case out and soak it and clean it. You can even, because it comes in two bits, you can take it apart. And it gives you easier access. But this is a very mild case. It's actually one of the more cleaner cases I ever come across. This is why you should use an old rag. Sometimes they catch and rip. These are cleaning rags that I use on these machines. It doesn't bother me if these rip. In fact, they normally do. It's quite sharp inside. Anyway, enough of that. So that's now clean. It's certainly a lot better than what it was when I started. But saying that, it wasn't even bad at all. So the next thing you want to do is we've taken our detergent drawer out and we want to take this over to the sink. So now we're back over to our sink. We're going to, quite big that. Bigger than I thought. Anyway, we're going to use warm soapy water. And to get that off, I'll just show you. Just lift it off, but it does clip in, so there's a bit of force necessary to get it off. Anyway, to clean it, we're going to use a sponge scourer and a toothbrush. No real difference anyway. So we're going to start off by getting this excess dirt off. As you can see, the drawer The main detergent compartments are pretty clear, but the soap conditioner compartment is pretty brown, and this is just simply because liquid detergents, whether that be actual washing detergents or fabric softeners, in which case the fabric softeners go in here, over time the biofilm from the detergents stick to the plastics, and then when not in use they basically the bacteria just ends up infesting it really, and then that's why you get mould. This is basically bacteria build-up. See what I'm doing with this brush? There's a little that says main wash, softener and pre-wash. And these attract dirt as well, but using a toothbrush it's getting rid of the dirt. Also it builds up at the back here as well. So basically, normal sponge can't get it, use your toothbrush and you should be able to get it. Like so. Check everywhere. The mould. Oh, you can just about get your brush down there, which is quite impressive actually, because normally you can't. There's no mould build up in that channel, but just clear out anyway. When it comes to the front, just use the soft side of your sponge, wipe it over, like so. Oh, underneath we've got a sticker. There's off. Obviously manufacture that. And as you can see here as well, we get mould build up. Just brush that over with a sponge. You don't have to be completely immaculate, but obviously the better results, the less likely you get mould building up as quickly. The main draw of this is now pretty much complete. We've just got the back bit here as well. Just to brush over. That bit will require your toothbrush. So we'll take our softener grate, just use your sponge to get the excess off. Just rub around like so. And then use the toothbrush to clean both the inside. And then use the toothbrush to clean here as well. So what we're now going to do is drain this water. You can either run some warm water rinse off both the softener grate and the detergent drawer. Get the stream to go directly down this hole. Right, and now you're ready to go back to your machine. Right, so let's return your drawer. Make sure it's clipped in. Push the liquid detergent marker back. That's it really. Just got to make sure that these go up into the sides here. And just push. That's it. Back out. Make sure it doesn't come out completely. Just stop on its own accord. That's it. That is how to clean the detergent drum on a Bosch Logic's Vario Perfect washing machine. It can apply to a lot of Bosch washing machines and Bosch washer dryers, this video can. So I hope you found this video helpful to use on your own Bosch washing machine at home. Thank you for watching.